Welcome to Willow's World of DIY. I'm Willow.
And I'm the Machine. Today we're going to show you how to install vertical blinds and blackout curtains.
Let's get to it. Alright, we're just going to measure up 84.5 and make a mark. .84.5 inches. You probably can't see my mark, but because of the dark paneling. But that's the measurement. You want to put your screw in the top hole of the bracket and screw in at that 84.5 inches. Take the frame rail. Get it centered on the window. Clip in the back edge first, and then the front edge will clip. Just like that.
Cool.
These are just the clips for the valance. And we can put together our side skirts. I have to trim them. I'm going to trim 1/4 inch off these. Same on this side.
Those are my popsicle scissors. They
are.
Oh man.
At least it's not an old dirty blind. It's nice and new.
Okay.
Now we can start clipping in our blinds are rubbing against the back trim of the wall, so we're going to have to pull them out just a little bit and give it an inch.
Okay.
Once you get it set where you like it, then you can tighten these back up. And these are going to stick to each other for a little while because of the static electricity. Once the sun gets on them, it should demagnetize them. Okay, so I removed our old brackets from an old vertical blind that was damaged. It used to be up there. And I'm going to measure, this is a 103 inch wide window, so I'm going to measure to the center, which is 51.5. just take a Phillips head screwdriver, twist it into the hole to widen it out for the drywall anchors. Okay, and I'm just gonna cut these drywall anchors short just because I'm hitting a piece of wood in there and the screws aren't long enough to attach to the wood. But we were just concerned about the light gaps on each side of that blind because it didn't encase that window completely. So this is gonna help from anybody seeing inside the house. I hope you found this video helpful. Please hit the like and subscribe buttons
Down below.
Thanks for watching Willow's World of DIY.
Until next time.